If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature on Venmo, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the icon 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the menu, then select settings from the list. Step 3. Go to payment methods. In the settings menu, scroll down and find the payment method option. Tap on it to view your linked payment methods and subscriptions. Step 4. Manage subscriptions. Look for the subscription section. Here, you will see a list of any active subscriptions linked to your account. Select the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 5. Cancel auto renewal. Once you are in the subscription details, find the option to cancel or turn off auto renewal. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. After completing these steps, your auto renewal for the selected subscription will be stopped. Make sure to check your subscriptions periodically to manage them effectively.